Hey.
Hi.
So I know your driver's license is suspended right now because the way you driving everybody in here crazy.
Rachel, I heard you're Jamaican.
Yes, I am.
All right, so we'll cut all of this. You'll treat me like a wet clothes and give me a pin now.
How you doing, Nana? I thought your name was Google because you're everything I'm searching for.
Oh.
What's good, YouTube? It's your boy White Pree, and I'm back with another video. Yes, sir. In today's video, we're gonna do Tinder in real life. So I'm gonna have the girls come up here. They're gonna sit right here. The guys are gonna line up. They're gonna come up one by one. They're gonna say a pickup line, and the girls gonna swipe left if they don't like what they're saying. They're gonna swipe right if they like what they're saying. At the end, we're gonna do something different and see who wins. You know what I'm saying? So make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe, and stay tuned to the video. It's the boy White Pree.
Hi, my name's Alex. I'm 23 years old, and I'm about to easily win this challenge. Can't wait y'all see out my lines.
What's going on YouTube? It's the Remix Kid, Jay Bryce. You can follow me on Instagram at DAREMIXKID. I ain't too much sure about what's going on with this challenge, but hey, if I in it, I win it.
My name is Brittany, and we gonna see which nigga got the best pickup line.
My name is Bjorn. You can follow me on IG at B.C.A. All right. And I'm easily going to win this challenge because I'm the sauciest nigga here.
All right, what's up, guys? Day Today Marv. That's pretty much it. Day Today Marv. Hey, that's it, bro. That's it.
Hi, YouTube. My name is Rachel. Follow me on Instagram at _Ray_Way. Okay. I guess we're doing some pickup lines today, so I think they're gonna do pretty good. Niggas have a little talk game. They don't never back it up, but they have talk game.
Yeah, man, it's your boy D Slim, bro. You can find me on IG. Cut up 876. CUTTUP_876. You don't know the thing said. Dep on that thing you feel like a challenge. You know the thing, and boy, you can't stop on one. I might think this. See that?
Oh, you recording? Yo, what's up? My name's Denzel. Anything you want to know about me, you can just ask. Shit.
Hi, my name is Nana. You can follow me on Instagram at Big Shooter with 2 A's. And we're outside, okay? Niggas is outside, bitches is outside. We trying to hear the pickup lines, okay? Niggas feel like they could pull bitches in here. I feel like I could pull one of them. It's just one of them. You know what I mean? One of them was looking nice, but everybody else, I don't know. But yeah, we outside.
Alright, it's your boy Rico. Follow me on Instagram, Rico.Musan. You already know I'm finna win this game. Ain't no telling who, but you know it's gonna be me. Todd, really. No bleach.
Hi, I'm Brittany.
How you doing, Brittany? I'm Marvin.
Hi, Marvin. I'm Brittany.
All right, bet. So, are you a triangle?
No.
Because you look like a cute one. Get it? Like the geometry behind it? A cute?
Oh, okay. I get it. Okay.
Right? All right, cool.
My name is Bjorn.
Hi.
And just a little something about me. I should let you know that when I read the Bible, my favorite chapter is Numbers. So why don't I have yours yet?
I'm Alex, and you look really good sitting on that chair, but you look even better sitting on my face. Dang.
I'm Denzel. Nice to meet you. What's your name? Man, you look like a whole bank loan.
Oh.
A bank loan.
A bank loan?
Yeah, because you got my interest. How you doing? Can I have your name? Because I'm trying to know what I'm trying to scream tonight in the bed. What hand you right with?
The right.
Okay.
Gotcha, bitch.
Hey, how you doing?
Hi.
You see all these words here?
If I see what?
You see all these words? These
Yeah.
words? Yeah, you don't need fine print.
You got that?
I got that?
Yeah. Right.
What do you call you?
Brittany.
I heard Brittany. I ain't gonna lie. The reason I look so distracted, I seen this earlier, and you've been on my mind. Listen, bro. I be trying to be corny, bro. It's a you. I was supposed to hold up, bro. I was supposed to come in. I done fucked it up in my brain, bro. It ain't come out right. It was supposed to be like, oh yeah, The reason I look distracted and shit, cause I've been this supposed to really fit me. You've been fuck all that. Yeah, that.
Well gone.
What's up?
I'm Tasha. I'm a scammer.
And
That's it. You want
I think it say he's a scammer. Hey, so tell me why you chose left on most of these people.
Because they don't have sauce.
Damn, they didn't catch it, but I'm not gonna repeat it. Everybody that went you swipe right to, they gonna come back. They gonna say one more pickup line, and then we gonna pick the one person out of the few. You feel me? So after they say whatever, just tell them to go back. Yeah, it was 3 of them. So everybody that got swiped right.
How you doing again?
I am good.
All right, your skin looks good, but I think you're suffering from a lack of vitamin me. Yeah.
I'm not gonna hold up your time. I know you busy, got a lot of dudes here, but can you add me to your to-do list?
what list?
Your to-do list.
My to-do list?
Yeah. No? Damn, I finally lost! No!
Hey. So I know your driver's license is suspended right now because the way you driving everybody in here crazy.
Oh, he got that.
Ain't gonna lie. I ain't gonna lie. That last one was smooth. I ain't gonna lie. All right, so y'all boys come back because those two was smooth. So out of these two, damn, she already picked. I didn't even ask the question. All right, my boy won. Thank you for playing the game.
Hi, I'm Nana.
How you doing? Say your name one more time.
Nana.
Nana? How you doing, Nana? I thought your name was Google because you're everything I'm searching for.
Oh, right.
Right?
Hey, I'm Bjorn and it's Nana, right?
Yes.
Well, if I had to rate you between 1 to 10, you'll be a 9 because you're the only one to complete me. All right.
Hi, I'm Alex. What'd you say your name was?
Nana.
It's a pleasure to meet you.
Nice to meet you.
Do you have a map? Because I'm getting lost in your eyes.
Left.
What they call you? Hello, what they call you?
Nana.
All right, I ain't got no pickup line. I'm keep it real. I ain't got no pickup line. But this work in real life. Put your number on my phone.
You kept it real.
All right, there. I'm here. Yeah.
Uncle Stop back in our building? You feel me? Hello, my name is Tasha.
Hi, I'm Nana.
I don't really do pickup lines though. You feel me? So
Left.
Wait, Pree, can you listen to me? Can you catch a video? How you doing? My name is Jay Price. I'm doing a little bit of vlog for school, and I gotta take and do some vlogs for the finer things on life. Can I interview you?
Yeah, sure. My name is Nana.
Nah, how was that though? No?
Yeah.
Yeah? That was a pass?
Yeah.
Ah, she gave me
I'm doing real nice to meet you. And shit. Look, you. And I'm just letting know if you want to hang out.
We gonna go back through those rights, and then we gonna see who got the best pickup line out of it. If you like it, you can still say yes. If you don't, no. You know what I'm saying? But they are gonna be out.
All right.
So let's get it.
Okay. Then what if I like all of them?
How you doing, Nana? Nice to meet you again.
Nice to meet you.
Life without you is like a broken pencil. Pointless.
I know, right? Right?
Ooh, you right.
Yeah, man. I don't know what to say. I can't beat, bro. But we can spend some time though. Brain fucking with me. Yeah.
I'm so sorry for getting all up in your space, but you smell sweeter than honey.
Thank you. Right.
All right. So you picked 2 people. Y'all boys come back up here.
Ooh,
So,
spicy. We gotta do it off the fit now.
Oh, you want to do it off the fit? I was gonna ask. That's what I was gonna ask. Yeah, you know what I mean? I was gonna ask. So you want to do it off the fit, or you want to do something else, or you just want to pick right now?
Rock, paper, scissors.
And I ain't gonna do it off the fit. I ain't gonna do it off the fit.
Rock, paper, scissors.
But I wanted to think like, you know.
All right, go ahead. Take your time.
All right, let's do it off of another line or something.
Another line? All right. Go ahead, y'all boys.
You wanna do that? What y'all wanna do then? Y'all wanna do that?
It doesn't matter.
I don't know. Do anything. Shit.
All right.
I got it.
All right, matter of fact,
I'll be doing my line real quick first
go ahead,
before
go
I
ahead,
forget
go
it.
ahead.
Oh shit. Are you from Tennessee? Because you're the only 10 I see. Give me a break. Please, give me a break. Give me a break.
Oh, Lord. Hey, so check me out, right? All these boys there dared me to talk to the baddest gal in the room. You trying to go to the movies for the money I'm about to make?
Huh?
You want to go to the movies? You want to go to the movies off the money I'm about to make?
Yeah.
See that? One, maybe.
Yeah, okay. Yeah, like
I try.
All right, so Price won. He won.
Yeah, he won.
Oh yeah.
He won.
He applied
Damn,
for
bro,
it.
how many games you
That's
won?
3 wins, bro. Stop playing with me.
Bruh?
Yeah.
Hey, my name is Rachel. Tinder.
Hi, my name's Alex. It's a pleasure to meet you.
Hi, my name is Rachel.
It's a pleasure. Are you alcohol? Because with you, anything is possible.
Oh, to the right.
Hey, I'm Bjorn, and you are?
Rachel.
Rachel, nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you.
I ain't gonna lie, I'm kind of hungry, and I am in the mood for some pizza. That is a piece of you, of course.
Oh, to the right.
How you doing, Rachel?
Hi.
My name is Jay Price. Can you rub this bottle for me? All right. You done got your first wish. You have 2 more.
Oh.
Right?
He got a line.
How you doing? My name is Marvin.
Hi, my name is Rachel.
How you doing, Rachel? Are you from Australia?
No.
Well, you mean all my qualifications.
Okay. Huh?
Qualifications? You get it like koala bear? Qualifications?
Oh, okay. To the right. It's cute.
Thank you.
Strap again, you see me strapping, you don't know things. Alright, so you say you're yarding,
Yeah.
but me I go take a left.
So we got a couple rights in the building. You know what I'm saying? They're going to go again, say another pickup line. And if you like it, right. If you don't, left.
Okay.
All right? So we're going to see how much is left.
Tap, 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 tap in.
How you doing? Are you in school?
No.
Well, I'm in school, and I'm learning about important dates in history. Are you trying to be one of them?
Ooh, that's right.
Hey again.
Hey.
I just noticed, are you wearing space pants? Because your ass is out of this world.
Wow, right.
You said your name was Rachel, right?
Yes.
I never got your last name.
It's Coke.
Okay, that's cute. But it'll sound better if it was John Simone.
Wow, right.
Nice to meet you again, Rachel.
Nice to meet you too.
But it looked like something wrong with my phone. By any chance, could you put your number in it?
Ooh. Left.
Yeah, we'll meet again. First time you give me the pin, but this is how we're going to do it that time. You mess up. We are sweet, says I'm crying. I'm not.
We got a few rights. Let's bring back up the rights. Now, out of these 3 gentlemen here,
This nigga with a fucking scoreboard over there.
out of these 3 gentlemen here, who do you think had the best pickup line? Or do you want them to do one more? Or you want them to do something else?
I have
Best
a
pickup
question.
line?
A question that I always think about, and I'm gonna say this, and whoever answered the best, whatever. I don't know what's gonna happen next, but in y'all life, I don't know how old y'all are. What is one thing that y'all did when y'all was stuck in a bad place to come out of a bad place? The best answer? Yeah.
I like going to parks. I'm not even making it up. I go to parks with my little lawn chair. I smoke and I just vibe. That's what I've been.
That's what's up.
And I read books.
I feel that. When coming out of a bad place, I like to step back and think.
Okay.
Because the next move you make can determine whether or not something's handled right or wrong.
This is more of like a personal thing with me, but I go swimming, whether it's in a pool, a beach, or anything, just to clear my head, get a fresh perspective on the situation, and then move on.
He wins though. He wins.
And you get to ask the question.
Good.
2 out of 5.
Theirs is good, but his I can more like.
Why did you choose?
I'm more of like wherever I am, I'm gonna figure it out. So, bitch, if I'm just smoking in the park, wherever the case is, bitch, I'm gonna figure it out right there. So, we probably finna click. Period.
I appreciate that. Make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe.
Oh.
You know what I'm saying? It's your boy White Pree, and we going up. Gang.